quiero estar 100 años contigo. Contigo la vida es mejor. Yo quiero estar 100 años contigo, bailando la misma canción.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a super easy homemade iced coffee. If you guys want to know how to get this done, please continue to watch. I promise you will love it. So to start off, we will be needing vanilla syrup. You can use any kind of syrup, you can use any kind of sweetener. I prefer this one right here. We will also be using iced coffee. This one is already brewed. You can buy it at any grocery store. Some half and half, like I said, any half and half that you prefer. We will also be needing ice, a lot of ice. I love my iced coffee with a bunch of ice, as you can tell. We're going to start off with the syrup. I did not have the pump, so I will be measuring it with a shot, and I am only doing 1/4 of a shot. And we're just going to pour it over the ice. As you can tell, it's really not a lot. And I will pour in my creamer first. You can pour everything in on whatever order that you want. This is just how I do mine. And I'm gonna lastly pour our coffee on top of the creamer, and it's gonna look like an iced caramel macchiato, honestly. And I loved that I did this for the sake of the video. And that is the final step for our homemade iced coffee. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I have been trying to perfect this recipe for the longest. I've tried everything because I really wanted to record this video. And that is all for this video. I promise this coffee is super delicious, super creamy. I know you guys will love it if you try it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also thank you so much for helping me reach 300 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without you guys, and I know 300 is not a big number, but for me it means so much. Thank you guys so much for all your support, and I will see you on my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.